في حزتها الأعياد وش باقي غير الأعياد، في غمرة بهجتنا هنوا يلا اللي تحبون، في حزتها الأعياد وش باقي غير الأعياد، والعيد شرف بالحب الله يحيي، ما دمنا مع بعضنا دامت مساعي، والعيد شرف بالحب الله يحيي، ما دمنا مع بعضنا دامت مساعي. We
are here at Edgbaston Cricket Stadium celebrating our Eid. Alhamdulillah, we prayed Eid on time, and now after we have prayed, everyone is enjoying the Eid day. We have a lot of stall, you can see a lot of energy. People are happy and celebrating Eid.
It's nice to see so many multicultural people here. The sweets, tea, for the kids. I mean, the kids really enjoy it.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. My name is Sajjad Akram and I'm a trustee at GLM Masjid. The event today has been brilliant. It's been super well organised, beautiful setting. It's really great to see everybody's smiles on their faces today.
We've just been out on the bouncy castle and now we've bought some sweets. And then after we're going to have some ice cream. I played there for the first time. Eid Mubarak!
We wanted to try something different and we've really enjoyed coming here, particularly for my little one who's a big cricket fan as well. To come to the stadium and watch and obviously pray here has been quite good.